And parents, let me talk to you for a minute. Come here. Next time God blesses you with a seed and you're nourishing it in your womb, you need to be seeking Him and asking Him, Lord, who is this child? Who is this gift? Who is this heritage that you just placed in my womb? How am I to raise this child up? Who are they to become? What is my role in getting them to be all that you have called them to be? What do you want me to name your child? Because the child that God has blessed you with is His. It's His own. So you need to seek Him. When you name your child, it has nothing to do with you, what you like, where you like to go, what you like to eat, what you like to see. No. That child has a purpose. That child has a destiny. That child has a calling. You need to be seeking God on what He wants you to name that baby because He cares. He cares. And honestly, He gonna give you some of the best names, okay? And they have the best meanings. It's like, oh, it's so cute. He gave me the names of my children. Oh my goodness. I don't have any paper nearby. It doesn't matter. When the Lord is speaking, trust and believe, baby. The queen is going to be grabbing whatever is near her. And so that day it just happened to be some napkins. Okay. And I sure did. I started writing down everything he was telling me. Y'all kind of see a little bit. I want y'all in my business, okay? So I'm not going to be sharing this with you all. But God is so serious. He is so intentional. He is so thorough about every aspect of your life that He will literally give you the details of your life, especially details in relation to your family, to your household, to your children. Some of y'all be killing me. Oh, I like seafood, so I named my child C. What? Oh, I love the color blue, so I'm going to name my daughter Sky because the sky be blue. What? Do you understand how significant your name is? You're playing with it, or you're playing with your child's name, or you're allowing other people to play with your name is attached to your reputation. Your name is attached to your legacy. Your name is attached to your destiny. Your name is a prophecy. This is a prophetic word. When the Lord names you, He is giving you revelation into who you are to become, and how you will operate and have power and authority in this earthly realm. Hello, my name is Dr. Guisintanner. Feel free to call me Dr. G. I'm a trauma-informed counselor with over 10 years of experience working with individuals, couples, and families, helping them to heal, thrive, and optimize their mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical well-being. I'm so proud of you that you are taking the next step to achieve your personal and professional goals. I'm happy that you chose me to journey alongside you. As we partner together, I believe that we will share a remarkable, transformative, and empowering journey. For more information about me and my approach to counseling, please check out the description box below and make sure you book an appointment. See you soon.